What's the meaning of ballsy? Ballsy. Ballsy.
Ballsy. Ballsy. The term ballsy is typically used to describe someone who is bold, brave, or courageous. It is often associated with a willingness to take risks and make bold moves, even in the face of adversity or potential failure. The origins of the term are uncertain, but it is believed to have emerged in the early 20th century as a way to describe someone who had the metaphorical balls or courage to tackle difficult challenges. Today, the term is commonly used in casual conversation to describe someone who exhibits confidence and bravery, particularly in situations that require it.